Hi, the new Apple Watch Series 8 is finally here, and in this video I'm going to show you unboxing and give my first impression. On this video I will show you the new Apple Watch 8. We will together unboxing and check what is inside in the box. I will show you how to set up and how long time it takes. Also I will check if this old strap 45mm from my Apple Watch 5 it fits for the Apple Watch 8 45mm. Are you ready? I can't wait. Let's unbox together. This is Apple Watch 8 and now we're gonna unbox together. This is so good how you open it. And now we have inside two boxes. One will be with the strap and one will be with the watch. This box is basically no more important, there is nothing inside. I will put on the side and let's focus first on the strap. Don't know that you can see it's here. Here we have special seal to open. Once we remove it, just like that. What do we have inside? Let's see. Okay, we have whole manual here. We have our strap. Mine is white. It's longer and shorter, okay? It's here longer and here shorter. We will need the longer version and standard, this one. So this is what we need. If you need, you can have manual here. Now it's time for watch. I'm so excited to open this Apple Watch 8 with you and check how it looks inside. Let's do it now. Okay, so once again we have here the sealed. I open this with you, like you can see, it's first time. And here is another. And now, are you ready? Look at this, very nice how you can open. Here we will have books, instruction. Here is a cable. Let's see. Wow, I like so long. This is what I like. It's a very long cable. It's USB-C. This we don't need. And look, it's super long. I think so nothing changed with this design. Yeah, but the cable is longer for sure than my Watch 5. Now I'm very interested about this one. So you need to see this with me. Very nice cover, by the way. How I can remove this? Okay, we need to push. This very hard paper or something like that, which protect the screen. And then this is the first time. Okay. So now what we need to do, we need to just put this one down. Yeah. And down. Do you see how amazing it is? Wow, it's very nice. I just think this I put upside down. Let me change. Yeah. Okay. So I already unboxed for you and show you what is inside in the box. Now let me show you how to set up and how long time it takes. This is very interesting, and for this we need minimum iPhone 6 Plus upgraded, must be all the software updated. I have here my iPhone and I'm gonna set up just now with you. So first let me check if I can turn on. I need to charge first. No. You can see Apple logo, so it means it's turning on. That's great. I need to wait for a while. The processor here is better than previous model, but still need time for the first time. Okay. To continue, connect Apple Watch to charger. This is what they say. Okay, and here extra tip. Let's say that you don't have charger around you right now. Of course, it's included the cable, but you don't have how to charge. It's easy. If you have Apple device with USB-C like me, I have the tablet, you can easily plug in, and the same way will work. So you can plug into computer or wherever it is, even to tablet where it works. So look, it's charging, there's no problem. And they tell me here just English, United Kingdom, it's setting up. Click start pairing. And to put camera and scan your watch. Reset from backup, set up new Apple. Reset from backup. Yes. They say aluminum case, 45 millimeters. Very amazing look. But in the phone is setting up. I don't know how long it takes. We just need to wait. Okay, it's done. You need to accept some terms and wait again. Why we waiting? Okay, we need to still wait. Nothing to do here. Whole process is in the phone. Like you can see, we still need to have here the notification that is already ready to use. Okay, now it's there. So we can create passcode. Create passcode on your watch. Okay, my passcode is set up already. So now I'm wait again. Bold text. It's okay. I'm gonna change short details. Here all the information. Emergency, full detect during workout, crash detect, backtrack. A lot of settings is here. Set up mobile service. Sorry, I'm still waiting. What is the funny things on is say on the screen, please wait while in the page is loading. This should only take few seconds to complete. It takes minutes, not seconds, and maybe this is no Apple problem, this is maybe my internet problem, or so that's not gonna complain about the Apple, okay? But the process with setup should not include the network connection. I just wanna set up the Apple Watch, don't set up the network because it takes really time during the process. You can do it later, so I skip this now. Okay, great. We already set up this. Like you can see, it's not just 5 minutes, it takes longer, approximately 50 minutes, and you need to have good internet connection. You need to have your iPhone close to you, so the process will little take time. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm very curious if this 45mm strap from my old Apple Watch 5 gonna fit to the Apple 8 45mm. It's 1mm difference. Should work, but we're gonna check this just now. And also I have here screen protector. I really recommend to have when you will buy new Apple Watch, because this 5 I never install and it's really full of scratches, and I'm not gonna sell this for huge price now, the lowest, because of the scratches. So it's good to just buy pack of screen protector, install on your watch, and after when you are upgrading you can sell it in good condition for good price. So this is my old Apple Watch 5. I'm gonna remove this because I really love it, this Gucci one. I'm gonna put here. It's the same process. It's very stable. There is little, okay, it's little move, the 1mm is move. I don't wanna say no, but it's lock. But this is important, it's lock. So if you will put your 44mm, then the lock will not let to go. Great, you can put to your hand, upgraded one, all good. Now I can remove, and you can see now it look really the same, but the screen protector it's on the watch. Okay, great. Thanks for watching this video. We already unbox, set up. We check also if the stripes 44mm is working with the 45. You can install and it will be really working. I hope that I helping you and shows you how to set up this watch, how it looks unboxing, what you will find in the box, and more. Also I shows you how it takes it time and how to protect your watch to not damage too fast, because new series will be of course in next year. Thank you for today for watching me. If you have little bit more time, soon will comes up my video. I hope that you will like to click and maybe watch another one. Maybe they will find something good for you. If not, thank you for today. Don't forget to click like and don't forget to click subscribe if you enjoyed this video or help you. Thank you very much once again and see you in next video. Cheers.